Hello, work life warriors. Happy Friday. Welcome to Fun Funny Fridays. Are you ready for some laughter yoga? Let's start now. Very good. Very good. Yay. Right now, I want you to think of your biggest stressor that you have going on right now in your life, whether that's a bill, you're doing a mug girl challenge tomorrow in Charlotte, and that is my biggest challenge. I am super stressed out and worried, although I've been training, so I'm going to take my power back in. Very good. Very good. Yay. There are so many things in this world that we can be serious about, right? We tend to approach life so seriously. So, what we're going to do is keep a straight face and break out into laughter. Keep a straight face, break out into laughter, and we're going to alternate between the two. Are you ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay. There is so much going on in the world right now. Would you agree? Right? So much incivility around. People are so unhappy. They are mad. They spend their time trying to punish other people. It is so much chaos going on in the world that in order to keep from crying, you have to laugh. So, what we're going to do is cry and turn it into laughter. Fake cry, turn it into laughter. We're going to alternate between the two. Are you ready? Go. Very good. Very good. All the time, these conversations, but it always feels like it doesn't change anything. So I think we should take the opportunity to have a conversation that means nothing and it will change everything. We're going to have a gibberish conversation and say nothing at all and laugh in between. We're going to alternate between the two. Are you ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay! Now, we don't hear a lot of laughter, right? We may hear giggle here and there, little snickers, and then in between that, we go long periods of not hearing any laughter, or we may hear a loud laugh, right? So, what we're going to do is alternate between the two. I want to hear some soft laughter, a little giggle, a little chuckle, and then I want to hear some huge laughter, as big as you can get. Are you ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Yay. Now, everything, especially technology, is always demanding of us, right? Every single time, it's always something reaching out for us, wants more of our time, efforts, resources, right? So, what we're going to do is dodge those things and laugh as we're dodging. Are you ready? Go. Very good. Very good. Now I'm laughing for real. we, we also spend on having conversations that are not entertaining, that we really don't want to have, right? So what we're going to do is turn our cell phone conversation into one of the best conversations we ever had. We're going to swing on our cell phones and enjoying ourselves. Are you ready? Go. What? Very good. Very good. Yay. Now, this is the time where we get the itis, right? This is the 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock slump where our energies decrease. We had a good meal, and now our energy reserves are low, right? Here's the opportunity for you to turn your yawning into laughter, because we know one yawn turns into like a yawn orchestra, right? So we're going to transform that yawn into a. Are you ready? Very good. Very good. Yay. Now we're going to end our session today with our laughter yoga clap. So what we're going to do is start off slowly. You join in with me. We're going to speed up until we completely lose the rhythm. Are you ready? Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, 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 ho, ha, ha. Very good. Very good. Yay! How do you feel? Do you practice 10 minutes of induced laughter yoga? Please share with me below. Have a great day, work life warriors. Bye.